Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the YouTube app's language and country settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user profile icon where it says you. Go ahead and select that. And then go up to the top right where there's a little gear icon. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath account, select general. And then on the right side, scroll down under location, select inside of here, select the correct location, and then you should be good to go once you click out of there. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.